Hi, Skylar. I'm going to ask you to answer some questions and to solve some problems. Some of the questions and problems will seem very easy, while others will seem hard. Just do your best, okay? What is this word? Go ahead with the others. Don't read the words too quickly.
And to keep noun must go in people light.
Good work. You can smile, it's okay. What is this word?
Morning,
Keep going with the others.
animal, cloud, garden, pecan, new, library, plant.
Great job. What is this word? Not sure? That's okay. If you're not sure, you can say I don't know or pass. Okay?
Pass.
Okay.
Special, however, bright, school,
Okay. Keep up the good work. You're working hard.
pass,
Okay.
pass,
Okay. Let's try some others. What is this word? Okay.
signal,
Good.
pass,
Okay.
investigative, policies, pass, pass, pass,
What is this word? Okay. Try the next one.
pass,
Can you point to the group with 5 dots? If Jessica ate 3 of these cookies, how many cookies will be left?
3,
If you took away 2 buttons, how many would you have left?
4,
If you had 2 books and got 2 more, how many books would you have?
4,
Good. What did I do with my pencil?
Yes.
All right, good job. I like your name too, Skylar. That's your name. My first name starts with an S too. So we both have names that start with S, and we both have birthdays in September. That's pretty cool.
My sister's birthday is, I think, in
All right, show me the clock that says 7 o'clock. Show me the clock that says 2 o'clock. If you had 3 cars and someone gave you 2 more, how many would you have altogether?
5.
If you had these balloons and someone gave you 2 more, how many balloons would you have?
7.
There were 6 dishes on the dinner table. Chong placed 2 into the sink. How many dishes were still on the table?
4.
Listen, if you had $10 and you spent 5 of them, how many dollars would you have left?
5.
You are a hard worker. Point to 2 things you could buy if you had 50 cents. A candy bar costs 50 cents. How many quarters would you need to buy it? Would you like me to reread the question? A candy bar costs 50 cents. How many quarters would you need to buy it? I'm going to try the next one. Okay. When added together, how much money is this?
10
10 what?
cents.
Nice work. The Gregg family is having a cookout at the park. Mr. Gregg cooked 10 hot dogs. If the hot dogs are shared evenly among 5 people, how many hot dogs will each person get?
1.
All right, now you may use this paper and pencil if you need them, the booklet that I gave you. You can use that as scrap paper if you want to pull it closer to you. I am going to ask you some questions. Again, you may use the paper and pencil if you need them. There are 3 eggs in each of 4 baskets. How many eggs are there in all? Sometimes it helps me to draw the problem out on scrap paper. And let me know if you need me to repeat any of the questions for you. You want me to repeat that one? Okay. There are 3 eggs in each of 4 baskets. How many eggs are there in all? Jay's car holds 15 gallons of gas. Anna's car holds 10 gallons of gas. And Ellen's car holds 20 gallons of gas. How many more gallons does Jay's car hold than Anna's car? work. While working on an art project, Dina takes one piece of paper and cuts it in half. She then cuts each piece in half again. How many pieces of paper does she have now?
4.
At the snack bar, George can buy a sandwich and drink for $3.50. If George gave the cashier $4, how much change would he get? You want to try the next one? Yeah? Okay. On his first try, Kim did 14 sit-ups. On his second try, he did 18. On his third try the next day, he did 20. How many more sit-ups did he do on his third try than on his first try? You may use your paper and pencil if you need them.
4 more.
Carrie has 32 comic books. That's a lot of comic books. She read 18 of them. How many comic books does she still have left to read? Okay. The Roberts have 4 people in their family. For breakfast, they each eat 3 muffins. If the muffins come in packages of 6, how many packages do they need each morning? You want to try the next one? Okay. Jamar can pedal a bicycle at 45 revolutions per minute. How many revolutions can he pedal in 2 minutes? And remember, you may use your paper and pencil if you need them. I want you to spell some words. Please print your answers. Begin with number 10. Number 10. Spell the word is. It is very cold today. Number 11. Fun. Going to the beach is fun. Number 12. Got. Beth got a new bicycle. Got. Number 13. Am. I am happy. Number 14. With. Come with me. With. Number 15. From. The note is from me.
It looks like a little bit more than pushing, because here's what I can see. I can see like scratch marks here on your chest. It looks like scratches, and then some like maybe like some sort of like headlock kind of a maneuver. Yeah, was there some of that close? Sure. So is that from something else? How did you get that? Did you grab a hold of this? Pull on it?
Would you like me to reread the sentence? Number 15. The word is from. The note is from me. Number 16. Camp. Sally went to camp. Camp. Number 17. Saw. We saw a duck. Saw. Number 18, water. May I have some water? Number 19, nice. My sister is nice. Number 20, cooked. He cooked breakfast. Number 21, once. I saw a rodeo once. Keep up the good work, Skylar. You are working so hard. Excellent. Look at this picture. Listen, this says the house is bigger than the... What word goes in that blank space?
Kid.
The answer is man. The house is bigger than the man. Now try it again. The house is bigger than the... What word goes in that blank space?
Man.
Nice work. Now read these to yourself and tell me one word that goes in the blank space. Now pretend like you're that YouTuber you like and use your laser focus to answer the questions. I know you can do it. You want to try the next one? Okay, try the next one. Good. Keep going. Keep going. Nice work. Alright, read this to yourself and tell me one word that goes in that blank space. Keep going.
Is
Okay. A little bit trickier without the picture, right? You can do this though. What do you think?
call,
I'm sorry.
call,
Can't hear you.
call,
Cow? Cow?
call,
Call?
call,
Call. Okay. What about the next one?
Hey, it's me. Is Penny with red light? Okay, is Red sitting outside? I just want to. Hey, here she is. Hey, here, they came off. That's what I want to talk to
You want to try the next one? Okay.
Well, I think it's even better, Fred, because look, here's my question. Can I ask you a question?
Alright. Start with this one up here. Tell me one word that goes in a blank space.
wings,
Good. Keep going.
door,
Good. Keep going. Can you see the question okay? Yeah, just making sure.
wings, suit,
Try that last one on the page. Keep up the good work.
Look at me. That's it. So, how did you get those scratches? They've been there ever since I've been there. Ever since you spun the small trees on his hand.
try the next one? Okay.
Alright, so because here's why I'm asking this. Can you see that for me? Okay. They're getting a little bit better. Do you see this mark right here? Okay. And do you see this mark right here? Okay, because my question
Are you
is
smiling
that
because it's asking about
food
pizza?
doesn't come from food.
I like pizza too.
And I'm not saying
It asks for more.
yes.
Somebody grabbing a hold of them.
I am going to ask you to do some writing. Please write or print your answers neatly so I can read them. Just do the best you can. Number 1, this says, my name is, write your name here. Number 2, this is a, write the word here that finishes the sentence. Number 3, this is a, write the word here that finishes the sentence. Number 4, the first sentence says, this girl is very sad. The second sentence says, this girl is very, write a word on the line that finishes the second sentence. Number 5, the first sentence says, this is a white hat. Finish this sentence. Number 6, write a good sentence that tells what is happening in the picture. Number 7, write a good sentence that tells what is happening in the picture. Number 8, write a good sentence that tells what the girl is doing. Number 9, a woman cannot find her car keys. Write one good sentence that tells about this and uses the words by the car. And let me know if you need me to repeat the sentence for you. Would you like me to repeat it? Sure. Number 9, a woman cannot find her car keys. Write one good sentence that tells about this and uses the words by the car. Look at these pictures. Hat, fish, cat, apple. Now you point to the picture that begins with k. Point to the picture that begins with f. Look at these letters. Point to a letter that makes the p sound, as in the word pig. What is the sound of this letter? Look at these letters. Point to the letter that makes the sh sound, as in shoe. What is the sound of this letter? Good work. I want you to read some words that are not real words and tell me how they would sound. How would this word sound?
Lab.
Lab. Good. Now read this word to me.
Ib.
Good work. Read each of these to me. Don't go too fast. Not sure about that one? Okay, you could try the next one.
Collective Zob. Then walked.
Keep up the good work. Read each of these to me. Don't go too fast.
Nip. Boy. Luck. Jock.
Try your best.
Bin.
Okay? What do you think about that one? Not sure. You want to try a different one? Okay. Try these for me. Try your best. Remember, you can't get anything right or wrong. I'm just looking for you to try your best. It's okay. You want to try the next one?
Whale.
Okay. I want to listen to you read aloud. Read as carefully as you can, not as fast as you can. If you come to a word you cannot read, just do your best and then go on to the next word. Start here with a story about bees. Go ahead.
Bees are little. They are buds. Bees can make wax. Bees have a lot of jobs.
Can you read this first one for me?
A story about bees.
Nice job. Go ahead.
Here is more about bees. They live in most parts of the world. They have two parts of brains. There are three kinds of bees. The queen bee is the only bee that is able to lay eggs.
You are working hard. Great job. You're a good reader. I like that. All right, keep going.
The largest and most important bee is the queen. The worker bees, and the
Not sure about that one? Okay, you can skip over it and
are
keep going.
smaller than the queen bee. Like other buds, bees have three parts of legs. Bees are
Not sure about that one? That's okay. Read me what you
only
can.
if they are disturbed. Sometimes they will teach ask to do you know how long bees live?
I want you to read some sentences and decide if the answer is yes or no. Look at this sentence. It says, a cow is an animal. Is that true? Because the answer is yes, you would circle Y. Now look at the second sentence. It says, a fish can read. Is that true? No. Because the answer is no, you would circle the letter N. Now look at the next 4 sentences. Draw a circle around the correct answer for each sentence. Work as quickly as you can without making mistakes. Go ahead. Start here and read as many sentences as you can. Decide if the answer is yes or no. After you get to the bottom, go to the top. There are 3 pages. Keep working until I tell you to stop. Work as quickly as you can without making mistakes. If you do make a mistake, just cross out the one you don't want. If you have trouble reading a word or cannot think of the answer, just skip that one and go on to the next one. You will have 3 minutes. Tell me if you finish before I say stop. Go ahead. I want you to work some simple arithmetic problems. Start here. When you finish a row, go to the next one and work each problem until you finish the page. Then go to the top of the next page, which is right here. If you cannot think of an answer, skip that one and go on to the next one. Work as fast as you can without making mistakes. Be sure to watch the signs. See how they change? Okay. If you do make a mistake, cross out the answer you do not want. You will have 3 minutes. Tell me if you finish before I say stop. Go ahead. I'm going to ask you to write short sentences about some pictures. Look at this picture and the words, good cake is. A short sentence that tells about this picture and uses these words is, the cake is good. Now look at this picture and the words, pig fat is. Use these 3 words and any other words you need to write a short sentence about the picture. You may put the words in any order. Go ahead and do samples C and D. Start here and write a sentence for each picture and its 3 words. You may use the words in any order, but do not change a word in any way. I will tell you any words you want to know. If you cannot think of an easy sentence to write, just skip that one and move on to the next one. When you get to the bottom of the page, go to the top of the next page. Keep working until I tell you to stop. Keep your sentences short and work as quickly as you can. You will have 5 minutes. Tell me if you finish before I say stop, okay? Go ahead.